crowded. Lots of games to play though. Nobody's taking the bait. It's the worst gamble in town. Guaranteed not to pay back almost. Got a great view of the beach from these horsies.
Jesus, man, I'm watching him and I'm watching. I didn't know she was that much of that.
We ran over a little girl. Taking a rolling chair. Oh, bump. The boardwalk's not what it used to be.
Going to sleep is like going to bed in the park. You got a real kitchen with a real stove and a real oven.
We're staying at Valley's Beach Bar. Looks lit.
Got more people inside this casino.
I love that they just boarded up the hole where it used to connect.
Now you can see that picture from this side.
Wow, look at that.
Nobody can
All
ever get a
gone.
picture of Caesars from on here. Now you can get a picture from it.
Yeah, I was here.
Before Wild Wild West was like that. Like
This place is absolutely packed. Looks like there's a circus, and if I zoom in you can kind of see something going on in there. Looks like somebody's twirling with fire. Hopefully they don't burn the tent down. But yeah, definitely a cool thing to do if you got like a family or you lost your money in the casino. Floor over here too.